Good morning, students. Today our topic is occupation. Okay. Now first you draw one box 12 by 8 centimeter. It is there in front of you like this. Just draw one box 12 by 18 centimeter, and after that you write down your favorite occupation name here. What you want to be in your future. You write down here. And after that you just draw one character. I will show it to you. Just wait. If I want to be a astronaut, I draw my character like this, and after drawing this character you just draw its background. Now it's look more attractive. So you choose according to your occupation. If I want to be a teacher, so I draw this type of character, and then you color it and just write down lines why you choose this occupation. Okay. Thank you.
Hello children, good morning. How you all are doing? Okay, I am also fine, doing good. Children, today we will discuss about the nitrogen fixation in the soil, how it occurs. So last class what we have studied? The nitrogen fixation in atmosphere, isn't it? So today we will discuss in the biological nitrogen fixation, how it occurs in the soil. So first of all, what do you mean by nitrogen fixation, children? Last class also we have discussed about this. Nitrogen fixation means the fixation of nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, into nitrate. The process is called nitrogen fixation. And in biologically, how it occurs? Through the roots of the leguminous plants and with the help of one bacteria that is called rhizobium. Okay, so what do you mean by leguminous plants then? Leguminous plants means the plants which are the pea plant, all gram plants, those are called leguminous plants. So their root nodule nitrogen fixation occurs. So how it occurs? Their roots are something different. See, I will show one picture to you. You can see this picture. Okay, here the nodules, how it is. Especially in the pea plant or the all gram type of plant, means leguminous plants, we can see the root nodules are beads like structures. Can you see, children? This one. So here what happens? The nitrogen fixation occurs. So how it will be? With the help of bacteria, special bacteria that is called rhizobium. Those bacteria, they will fix the nitrogen in the soil. So what they will do? Atmospheric nitrogen they will convert into nitrate, and in that conversion the soil will get fertile and will get the farmers generally they will get the more production of crops and the soil will be fertile. Generally these leguminous plants, when they will put the farmers, when the main crops cultivation will over, then to fertile the land, generally the farmers will put these leguminous plants in the soil, so that through the rhizobium bacteria and these root nodules of the leguminous plants, because they have special characteristics we are seeing in the picture, children, isn't it? So they will fertile the land. Okay, so in this way biological nitrogen fixation occurs in the nature. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to take up the topic grade 7 geography. Lesson 2, inside our earth. In this I am going to explain now how the structure of the earth looks. Okay, let's begin. Take an example of an onion. You all know how onion has different layers. So even earth also has different layers like an onion. So here you can see the interior of the earth, and you can see the different layers of the earth just like an onion. And the first layer of the earth here is the crust, the first part. The first part of the first layer of the earth is known as crust, and it is the thinnest layer among all the layers of the earth. And this crust layer is divided into two parts, that is oceanic crust and continental crust. And then the second layer, which you see below the crust region, the second layer is the mantle region, and then below the mantle region you have the core region. You have the core layer, which is the innermost layer of the earth. Now this innermost layer of the earth, the core region, the core area is again divided into two parts, that is outer core and inner core. The second layer of the earth, that is the mantle region, it contains molten magma, that is the rocks in the liquid form, and it is a place where the volcanic eruptions, where the volcanoes erupt from this layer. And the third layer, that is the core region, it is made of two elements, that is iron and nickel, and therefore it's known as knife. Thank you.
नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? वाहन चलते हैं उनके नाम सीखेंगे, ठीक है? देखिए आपको स्क्रीन पर कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है। हाँ, स्कूटर, ठीक है? और इसमें कितने पहिए हैं? देखिए दो, एक और दो पहिए, और ये कहाँ चलता है? सड़क पर, ठीक है? अब ये देखिए नेक्स्ट आपके साथ ये है ये हमारे पुराने